Okay, I'm going to start this with a check on my beautiful The Million Roses. They are still as beautiful as the day I got them on Valentine's. Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Happy Tuesday. I'm not sure which is a better view. Is it up here a better view? Or do you like it like sitting down here in the little cubby? Anyway, I'm gonna go run some errands. I'm so like off-centered. So I'm gonna go run some errands. I have to go get a few things at the grocery store, and I want to get some pots. I ran out of pots for my I'm all over the place. I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to move you all over. I used to have a little stand, but I took it out. I think maybe I should put it back. But anyway, I just wanted to say hello. It's going to be a beautiful day. It is 57 degrees right now, but it's supposed to get into the 70s, which I'm super excited about. Okay, so I'm going to go run some errands, and I will check back with you in a minute. It is such a beautiful day today. This is the Kroger that I am shopping at. There's a few around me, and look at the blue skies. It is such a clear day. Okay, I got this planter at Kroger. I found it was $7.99. It was such a great deal. I was so excited. And then I got my groceries. And I also got gas too. I had to get gas, so I got 50 cents off. Woohoo! Okay, so I am in my Target Plaza, the one I have showed you many, many times. I'll show it to you once I get out of the car, but it's behind me. But they have opened up a Five Below. Can you see it? It's like right there. And I have not been in here, so I was gonna go in there and see if they had maybe some inexpensive pots that I can plant my plants in. So I was gonna look over there. And then they have a Ross over there and a Panera Bread, and then there's a Party America that I just love. It's very useful when you're throwing birthday parties. But there's a Five Below, so I'm going to go into Five Below, and then I'm going to go see what they have, if they have any like things for the garden, and then I'm going to go into Target and get some of my fiber bars, because Kroger doesn't carry those fiber bars. So I will see you in a second. If I can, I will open up, I will take some video in Five Below. We'll see. Okay, so there's the Target, so that's behind me. And so let's go into Five Below and see what they have. Here's a close-up of it. So as we entered, I came upon all this candy. There was so much candy. They had everything. They had a lot of like unique things too, not things that you would find in a regular store. And it was fun. And I picked out a few purple Skittles that everybody loves, and they're really hard to find. And they had a lot of really nice things for like the beach and the pool. They had the big tumblers, and they had towels, and they had beach bags, and I really was excited to come upon the books. The books were everything, and they had crossword puzzle books, they had word search books, and I really was attracted to the recipe books, the herbal book, and then they had a lot of items for your pets. They had dog beds, they had dog toys, they had a lot of just little fun things. Okay, so that was fun. I got a few things. I got a book on yoga, I got a herbal handbook, and I got a mindful cookbook, and I got some candy, but I did not find some pots. So I'm going to go into the Party America and see if I can find some gumballs for our gumball machine. And then I'm going to go into Target. This is our Party America, and it has everything that you need to throw a party. And during Halloween, they have every costume you could imagine. But They did not have gumballs today, which was so funny. I was talking to the sales lady and she was telling me that they had one little bag of gumballs, but they won't fit my gumball machine. It was so cute. I mean, there's a run on gumballs. Everybody wants gumballs. This store also had a lot of those fun candies that you don't normally find in regular store. And now I'm at Target and I'm looking for some gardening things, and they have a really nice selection here. Okay, so Target wasn't busy. It's just everywhere I went there were people. But I did get my fiber bars that I love so much, and then I did get a couple pots that I needed, and I got a watering can. And I got this plant food, Good Diet. It looked really good. It looked better than all the other plant food that they had. So I got some plant food, and I did find these pots. And I got a watering can. I wish they had it in like a white though. And I got a few other things, but I love these so much. Okay, so that was successful. I got all my errands done, and I just wanted to videotape real quick because I wanted to show you how the sun is coming into my car. I think it looks so pretty. It's so pretty. I don't know if it's going, I don't know how it's going to show up on the YouTubes, but I think it's super pretty. Well, I had an eventful errand day, so I'm going to go home and I'm going to put this up on the YouTubes, and then I will see you soon. I will see you in another day. I will see you in another video. I may say something before I put this up. I may do something. I don't know. We'll see. We never know. And I am working on my blog too. I've been putting blog posts up on my daily life as a wife and mother. I will put the link down below for you. And it is a really pretty day. It says it's 71 degrees right now. So that is good. And it is 1 o'clock. And I think that is about it. And I will see you in a little bit. Let me raise you up a little bit. Okay, so now the sun is off of me. It's a booming day here in the Target Plaza on a Tuesday. There's lots going on here. Okay, so I've been working on my craft room / office / schoolroom, and I'm really excited about how it's turning out. And I posted some pictures up on my community tab so you can see some of those. And I did some more organizing, and I'm just out and about, and now I'm about to go home, and maybe I'll share my dinner with you. Oh, I put my dinner in a short. I put last night's dinner in a short so you can see that right away. That's there. All right, so I will see you in a bit. Bye. Since I'm home now, I wanted to give you a better look at the books I got. I got an herbal handbook, mindful cooking, connecting to nature through vegetarian recipes, and my yoga book. Now, this works because I can serve it as a side dish for people that aren't strictly vegetarians, or I can use it as a main entree for the ones that are vegetarians or vegans. And then I got another salt lamp. I was thinking I needed another salt lamp. I want to put one down in where my Peloton is. And I'm super excited. These books, they were only $5. And then since I'm doing my reorganizing and all that, I saw these hooks and I needed some more over the door hooks. And these were at Five Below. Neat little store. I remember going in there to get some stocking stuffers. That's a really good store to get stocking stuffers and, Easter basket filler uppers, stuff like that. Or like school class parties, little trinkets for the kids and stuff, trick or treat. All sorts of fun things in that store. It reminds me also of a Pop Shelf. They're kind of very, very similar. Okay, so I know I said goodbye a few clips up from this one, but I just have to share some more things with you. When I was in Target, I went to go look to see if they had my Revolution Glass Skin, and I came upon this mascara. I have never tried Revolution mascara, so I got the True black big lash, and I've never used this one before. It was time to replace my mascaras. I had 3 that I was using, and it was time. It's time to freshen up my mascara and get some new ones. And this is the one I picked out. And if you've used this one, let me know. Let me know what you think about it. I've always had good luck with Revolution, except I can't find the glass skin primer, so it's okay. I can usually get it from Amazon if I can't find it in the stores. Amazon is awesome that way. And then at Kroger, I got these bamboo sponges. Are these not incredible? Look at, they're safe on all your surfaces. They're odor-free. They're chlorine-free. They're super absorbent. They're the eco way. I love these, and they're white. They'll match my white kitchen, my white and pink kitchen. So this was a find I was excited to come upon. All right, I think that is it for now, and I will be back in a minute. Okay, so a few other things I got is I'm going to make some chicken tortilla soup, and it calls for some petite diced tomatoes and some chicken broth. And I got some bananas back here, and I got some grapes, and I needed cucumbers and tomatoes, and I got some fresh asparagus with some red plums, avocado, a spaghetti squash, and I also got a box of blueberry Pop-Tarts. And I got these a while ago at World Market, and they're reusable freezer bags, but I don't always use them for the freezer. I use them just for like bags. I have my green beans in one right now that I use for all the animals. They love green beans, and so do we. And these bags are so nice. I love these. I try and be kind as much as I can to the earth when I can. And I just wanted to show you, I got these at World Market. So if you're ever at World Market, go look at their bag section. They have a variety of great things there. But I'm going to make this spaghetti squash. I just saw it. It was calling for me. So I went and got it, and everybody will be happy that I did because everybody loves spaghetti squash. And I needed some avocados. And so here are some vegetables. A little scan again. But I'm excited to make this chicken tortilla soup. It's kind of semi-homemade. I just have to add the chicken that I made. I had made some chicken and shredded it and froze it for later use. So I'm going to make that. So that's a few more things that I got. But I just can't get over this book. This makes me so happy. The front is just so happy. The Herbal Handbook. I trimmed my hyacinth, and after the green leaves die off, you're supposed to put it in like a paper bag. You can put the whole plant that died off in a paper bag until it's time to bring it back out. Or you can pull it out of the dirt and brush the dirt off the roots and put it in a paper bag. So I'm bringing it over here to show you. So it's a hyacinth. And I cut those beautiful flowers. They had died, and they say to cut it down as far as you can without damaging the leaves. And then put this plant near the sun for where the sun is the longest, and let it soak up as much energy from the sun as it can. And then when the leaves die off, you cut the leaves down to the bulb, and then you take this whole thing and you put it in a paper bag in like a cool, dry place. So like a closet or something. These were so beautiful, and they smelled so wonderful. So I'm excited to try and do this. I've never done something like this before. And the lady at the florist said that you can even just plant the bulbs in the dirt, in the ground, anytime, and they will come back. I trimmed up my artichokes for today's dinner. You snip off the sharp part, and then you put it in. I put it in this strainer and with some water, and you boil it, and you boil it for about 30 minutes or so, and you test it. If when these pull off with no with no struggle at all, where they just come off so easy. It's done. And you just keep checking it to make sure the water doesn't completely disappear. You add more water if you need to, and you cook them for as long until they're very tender. And they are super, super yummy and good for you. So when you turn the burner on, you cover it with a lid and you keep the lid on it. I don't know if I said that, and you boil them for about 30 minutes. And I am going to start this, and I'm going to start my dinner prep. And I am so happy I got to spend the day with you, and I will see you in a little bit. Bye.